Jason Goodall, GQue BBQ. How do you make a bacon jam better? You add bourbon to it. If you want to see how we do that, it's coming up right now. Cut the bacon into these small slices, then add them into the frying pan. Don't worry if the bacon pieces stick together. They will come apart as they cook. Cook over a medium-high heat for about 8 minutes, stirring frequently until the bacon is cooked. Want to drain off all that excessive bacon grease, leaving behind about 2 tablespoons so we can cook the onions. If you're looking for a new knife, I'm going to put a discount code for these GQue knives down below. I'm a big fan of the yellow sweet onions in this bacon jam to bring out that good sweet flavor. Add the onions then back to the frying pan and cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes. After they cook all the way up and get nice and wilted, we're going to reduce the heat down to low. While those onions are cooking, let's give away some GQue BBQ the Rub. In the sausage and peppers video, I asked you what would be the best item to put in that braising liquid. And Pickles Barbecue, you had me with that chuck roast. DM me your address and I'll send you some GQue BBQ the Rub. Let's give away some more GQue BBQ the Rub. This Bourbon Bacon Jam, what do you think it would taste best on? Let me know down in the comments below and the winner will receive some rub. Oh, those onions are looking so good. Beautiful color on those. You're going to continue to cook the onions until they've completely caramelized for about 20 minutes. Now you got this delicious sweet liquid that it's going to continue to cook here for about 30 minutes. And as that liquid reduces down, it's going to intensify those sweet flavors. You watch this channel, you know I love cooking with alcohol. I love the flavor that it brings. I love the depth that it brings to food. Go ahead and add one of your favorite bourbons. Let's do some quality control on this bacon. Best bacon bits right here. You can see that it is cold out here in Colorado when we cook. The bacon grease is already congealed back up on the bacon. The trick to making this jam so good is to slowly simmer the bacon, onions, and brown sugar until they become a thick jam-like consistency. One last thing to do, let's add the balsamic. I love this vinegar because it brings that tanginess. So you're going to get a sweet, salty, tangy jam that's going to light up your taste buds. Now, this bacon jam is the best in the world. I know that's a big, bold statement, but I've been told it so many times, I have to believe it. So the bacon jam's got that thickness we're going for. It truly is a jam right now. There's one last thing to do, and it's optional. If you don't want that jammy, thick texture, and you want a spreadable type texture, go ahead and give it a pulse in your blender. Doesn't that bacon jam look awesome? Let me know down in the comments for your chance to get some free rub. What do you think it would be great on? Would it be meatloaf? Would it be grilled cheese? Would it be BLTs? Let me know down below. I can't wait to see your answers. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. That bacon jam hits all the notes. It's salty, it's sweet, it's tangy, and it's got my favorite food group, bourbon, in it. If you want to see me use that in another item, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and you won't miss that, because the next video we film, we're putting it on something. Jason Goodall, GQue BBQ, and I'll see you on the next one.